kung all our employees naman po ay above minimum wage, okay lang po ba na hindi na kami mag-across the board increase ng 40 pesos?
Tama po yan. Kasi above minimum kayo eh. The minimum wage increase covers only minimum wage earner. Ang ina-address lang po natin is baka magkaroon lang ng wage distortion. Now, ganito po, Miss Connie. Kahit po hindi kayo kailangang across the board because you're not affected. Because lahat naman ng employees nyo, sabi nyo, all of them are above minimum wage. No? First thing na dapat nyong isipin muna, Miss Connie. Ang floor po tumaas. No? Check nyo muna. Baka naman may masagasaan. Kasi pag sinabi natin above minimum wage, anong ibig sabihin natin? 590? 600? Above minimum wage rin po yun. No? So in effect, sabi ko nga kanina sa discussion ko, tataas po, mag-a-adjust yan because there's now a new minimum wage. There's now a floor wage rate which is 610. So check nyo po. So mag-a-adjust po kayo doon. Ngayon, kung sabihin nyo naman, lahat naman kami attorney, 700 eh. 700 per day yung aming pinakamababang sweldong employee namin ay 700. So kung gano'n naman po ang situation nyo, Miss Connie, wala naman po kayong problema. You don't have to implement any across the board because you are not covered and there's no wage distortion that will be happening in your company. Now, another situation might arise, Miss Connie, no? Na medyo malapit-lapit. Let's say 625. 625 yung pinakamababa yung sweldo. So, walang wage distortion yun kasi ang minimum wage is 610, no? However, the moment you hire a new employee, ito na yon, no? Mag-uumpisa po yung wage nyo, kahit probationary pa lang yan, mag-uumpisa yan at 610. 610. So ngayon, ang question dyan is, masyado bang malapit yung pinaka lowest paid employee nyo at saka yung bago lang, newly hired probationary employee? You have to look on those matters, Miss Connie. But those things are for the future pa. So right now, wala po kayong problem.